Just wanted to introduce you to Homebase, which is the scheduling app that we use. Um, so as I mentioned, you can pretty easily see what everybody is working. You can color code stuff. I kind of have everything by managers and certain shifts. You can also assign people to all sorts of different custom things, um, carts, float, front, golf shop, all sorts of different things you can put on there. Um, You can drag and drop things around to make changes. If you do make any changes, it'll kind of show up like that. And then you can push it out to everybody. Um, if you go into a week that isn't quite scheduled yet, it'll look like this. So it hasn't been published yet, but I can move stuff around. So like Spencer has a time off request pending. I can shift stuff around, take a look at other. So if Maya has some days off approved, shift people around, all sorts of stuff. Super easy to keep track of days off and make adjustments. I can also change where these people are in the positions, so it makes it easy to see everything. And then when I'm done organizing the whole schedule, I just hit publish and it sends it out to them on the app. Um, you can keep track of time off requests. So like here's his. It can sometimes show why. They can type in what they have going on out of town. Who else has time off during that request time? Lots of useful things there. Those are the main things I use it for, but super easy to keep track of everything. I have it on my phone, so if somebody texts me and I need to make a schedule adjustment, I can do that. So let me know if you want a little in-person tutorial and I'll take some time to show you. Thanks.